So, dear students and guardians, I am Dr. SRC, and in this video, I am going to tell you about the CBSE class 7 to 12 board type or school type examination. That is going to be a subjective examination focusing on, and obviously on the same syllabus, we are also going to perform some objective tests. So, let me come to the video. So, this is the exam achievers CBSE All India Test Series 7 to 12. वी आर बेसिकली फोकसिंग ऑन बोर्ड बोर्डेर जगह আমরা फोकस করছি वहाँ पे फोकस करें कि ताकि जो बोर्ड का जो एग्ज़ाम है उस और या स्कूल का एग्ज़ाम है उसमें हम फोकस कर रहे हैं वी आर नॉट इन दिस पर्टिकुलर टेस्ट सीरीज वी आर नॉट एक्चुअली फोकसिंग ऑन द NEET or JEE like foundation, but we are focusing primarily and sincerely for the school or board pattern. So this is our vision and our mission because we think that there is a gap in this particular area. क्योंकि फाउंडेशन बोलते फाउंडेशन पढ़ाई but they don't actually teach the school. स्कूलों पढ़ाई स्कूलों को ये दी but generally that is not the case. So if the students may study anywhere but give the test series board type or school type under exam achievers under this particular ecosystem where there are very talented faculties and also their board examiners, so obviously the student is going to be benefited. Now let me come to the entire structure. The structure we are dividing into three phases. One is the junior phase that comprises of from classes 6, 7 and 8. So 7, 8 junior bata rahe. Now we are going for 9, 10, 9, 10 that is the secondary phase. So we are going for 9, 10 that is secondary phase, and 11, 12 there are senior secondary phase. So these are the three phases where we have divided the entire test series. Let me go one by one. So first the junior section, that is 7 and 8. First we are defining the syllabus PCMB. We are defining the syllabus. How many modules are there? There are 4 modules, for example, for physics in class 7, and the module is written over here. That is CBSE. You can match with your CBSE syllabus. In chemistry, there are 2 modules. These are the topics there. And biology 7 modules. In maths, there are 15 modules for class 7. And class 8, accordingly, 5, 4, 5 and 7 modules. So what we have done is that we have divided the entire syllabus of CBSE class 7 and class 8 under different modules. Physics, chemistry, mathematics, biology, physics this much module, mathematics this much module, biology this much module, and so on. Then the next step is about the test. So that is the junior section, and in the junior section you are going to find UT1, that is the first unit test 1, and the syllabus is specified over here. This is the syllabus. This is module 1 is going to be in the syllabus, but maths is different. Maths, there are more number of modules. So we are saying that module 1 for physics, chemistry and biology, but for maths that is separate, and this is written in the bracket like maths 1 to 4. For example, in the second unit test, we are going for modules 1 plus 2. So we are basically going with respect to the cumulative approach. Okay, na? And maths, because there are module in maths is very high, so we are going for UT2 module number 1 to 7. So maths module 1 to 7, and the rest, that is physics, chemistry and biology, and that is module 1 plus 2. For example, in midterm exam, so this is the module 1 plus 2 plus 3, so that is for physics, chemistry and biology, and maths that is given separately because as I told you that the number of modules is much larger as compared to the physics, chemistry and biology in this particular class, and these are classes 7 and 8 we are talking about. So maths 1 to 10, and here in term modules 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4, maths 1 to 13, and in term 2, that is, this is actually the full syllabus. This is the pre-full syllabus where 80%, 90% syllabus are being covered. So that is very pre-full syllabus. You can call that like pre-board, and this is actually the board. And then you are going to actually appear for your school exam. So throughout the particular journey of your particular school, and when the school is taking UT1, UT2, we are also taking mock UT1, mock UT2 and etc. etc. So that is going to be very beneficial for all the students. I feel that this was actually missing in the entire curriculum, and because there are numerous informations in YouTube also, there are brilliant teachers, coaching centers and everywhere, but rigorous school or board exam, subjective exam, not the objective one, not that OMR sheet or MCQ, the subjective one was missing. So that is in class 8, that was class 7, this is class 8, and class 8 accordingly this is given over here like this. This is the entire pattern you can follow. First there will be UT1, then UT2, then MT, ET1, ET2. Now the question is that the dates are not given. Dates are not given because we are going to form some batches specifically with respect to some schools, batch number 1, batch number 2, batch number 3, batch number 4, and there can be individual 3-4 people coming from CBSE and asking that we are interested to take this particular mock test series of CBSE for this particular class. Then we are going to form that batch in WhatsApp group. Then we are going to discuss about what is your preference timing. Then we are going to give that particular timing for that particular batch. So that is flexible. So it's not that sometimes we have actually created some dates, but then the students have come to say that they have exams, they have different tuitions and etc etc. So we are taking a different approach. They are actually approaching us. We are forming a WhatsApp group, and then we are discussing for that batch number. Say suppose that is batch number 12, and we are discussing that what is your preference. Then we are giving that batch certain particular timetable for the exam. So that is the entire philosophy. Now this is about the class 8. Okay, one thing that whenever there is a UT1, okay, now so there are two papers. One is entirely subjective, that is based on the CBSE pattern, strictly according to CBSE pattern, and the second one is same syllabus but that is objective. Why there is another examination of objective? Because we want to also give the flair of that foundation or the entrance particular test, that is pre-JEE and pre-NEET. We are going to we are also going to give the flair for that also. So for that we are not changing the syllabus. The syllabus remains the same as of the subjective pattern. We are just adding an objective parameter over there also. So subjective evaluation will be done separately, objective separately, and the total marks will be given subjective plus objective, and then the leaderboard for that particular batch will be created. So every exam UT1 there are two exams, subjective, objective. So you can actually now do the maths over here, and because there are 5 exams, so 2 into 5 that matches that 10 tests. Okay, now so there are 5 exams, UT1, UT2, MT, ET1, ET2, and every exam has 2 papers, one subjective paper, one objective paper. Objective paper is in the line of that pre-JEE and pre-NET wala preparation, and a little bit complex also, just to make your mindset very strong with respect to those examinations. But our main motto is about taking that school or board examination. Now this the rest is basically self-explanatory, and because 9-10 what actually is different is about the syllabus and the schedule and nothing else. The pattern is exactly same, that is UT1, then UT2, then MT, and then ET1, then ET2. So there are 5 exams, 5 into 2, 10 tests. So as I was telling that this is class 9, now you can get the 10 test also. This is 11, 12, 11, 12. There are 5 board level tests, and also there are 5 that JEE NET wala test. So this is again 10 tests. Okay, same, the pattern will be strictly maintained with respect to the CBSE pattern according to the classes, board and school type examination. This is again class 12, the same thing. 5 is board level, and rest 5 are the entrance type test, and the syllabus is same. Like for example UT1, you are going to give the syllabus with respect to the board level, and the syllabus for the objective paper is going to be the same. Now this is the duration subjective paper, this is the marks, that is UT or MT. We are going to take 50 marks paper, duration will be 90. For N term we are going to take 80 marks paper, duration will be 120 minutes. Just UT and midterm will be of lesser marks, and the ET1, ET2 will be of the full syllabus nature. And these are the questions that advanced MCQ, advanced MSQ, advanced NAT. NAT is numerical ability test. This is for the objective pattern. which will be 40 marks for 1 hour paper. This will be, and subjective, as I told you that UT will be 90 minutes and in term 1 and term 2 will be 120 minutes. So this 11 12 CBSE same pattern, same this is the same. So this is the pathway. I think that it's now clear. This is UT1 and then you are going for the midterm and UT2. No, this will be basically UT2 and this will be midterm and then ET1 and then ET2. Okay, now first UT1, then UT2, then coming the midterm. Midterm is nothing but the half yearly examination. So first UT1 and UT2 are semi syllabus covered, then half yearly examination coming, and then we are going for ET1 and ET2. So in the midterm also, what we actually will correct over there, in the midterm also we are going to take the full syllabus type paper. Okay, na? Only the smaller UT1 and UT2 will be of 50 marks and the rest will be like the board pattern, like the school full syllabus type pattern. Only the syllabus varies. Okay, na? So this is two tier examination for CBSE pattern. First is the board type pattern and second is the entrance type pattern. Okay, na? And the marks and etc. I have already told you. So this is the exam achievers approach, and I am that confident that any student coming to this particular exam achiever CBSE test series starting from class 7 to class 12 and giving 10 tests, 5 fully board type and 5 of advanced MCQ nature like JEE and NET, and he or she is going to be immensely benefited from this particular course. So I am Dr. Esasi signing off from this video. What you need to do is that for the phone numbers that is given, this is the particular fees for 7 to 10. It's 2000 rupees per year per subject. So you are taking physics, so you're going to pay 2000 rupees only. If you are taking physics and also chemistry, then you are going to pay 4000, 2000, 2000 and like that. Okay, now if you are going to take PCMB total, the whole year 10 test with evaluation, result analysis, leaderboard, entire detailed analysis, it is going to cost only 8000 rupees. You are spending much more than in different tuitions paying the monthly fees. If you pay here, and then you will know the difference. For class 11 12, it's going to be 2500 per subject. So one subject 2500, two subject 5000 and so on. The max limit then it will be max is 10,000 for a full year. Okay, now so this is about the particular information. So we are working with different schools. You can take over here. We are working with different schools. We are working also with different coaching institutes. You can also come directly to us to actually take the test series. You need to basically call in this number. You just drop in WhatsApp that I am interested to this number 87574 9830 to 87574 and 8100 268 057. Just drop a WhatsApp over here that I am interested for the CBSE test series, and you need to mention the class either 7 to 12, any class. So we will get in touch with you and form a WhatsApp group and share the schedule. Dear students and parents, this is from this particular video. Thank you so much for your time and you take care and bye for now.